In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn money with this opportunity where you can generate a lot of income even when you're just at home, and you can even earn up to $1,500 a day. You don't need any fancy equipment, you don't need any professional skills, you don't need to have any prior experience, and you don't even need to do any investing. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. So if that is something that you want, then this video is for you. So make sure to stick around with us guys until the very end so that you won't miss out on anything important.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
So first, what I want you guys to do is to go to this website called clickmeter.com. So what is ClickMeter? It is a link tracking software predominantly used by big corporations with the likes of Payoneer, AT&T, L'Oreal, Texas Instruments, and so much more. As you can see here on their website, these corporations use software like ClickMeter so that they can track the traffic and clicks that they collect from the ads that they run on platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, and more. What ClickMeter can do is actually help you get the most from your links, help you target a specific demographic of people. This software is able to track views, clicks, and conversions. The software is also able to monitor broken links, click fraud, latency, and blacklisting issues. And they also allow you to share the links with clients, colleagues, partners, and even your coworkers. Now, all those are actually very important for people who are running ads, since they will be able to maximize conversion rates, maximize the number of clicks, and in return, maximize their profit. Basically, they can make a lot more money if they use ClickMeter. And for this video, we will be focusing on using Google alongside this affiliate program and use this to make money online without investing a single penny.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, before we start earning, I just want to show you how much ClickMeter is charging these companies. These pricing plans go anywhere from $29 up to $349 a month. And that is important because we will be joining their affiliate marketing program. To join the affiliate program and earn money in the ClickMeter website, I want you to go to the bottom of the page and I want you to look under the company section and click on the affiliate program. It will then bring you to a page here, and on here, when you join the affiliate marketing program, you can earn up to 90% of commissions when you get to sell and promote one of their products. They have an unlimited earning potential, which means that there is absolutely no limit on how much money you can make with their program. You can invite as many people as you want and invite as many people as you can. They also have a very great affiliate team that will help you on your journey on earning money using the ClickMeter affiliate program. The best part is it's absolutely free to join the affiliate program, and it is available for people outside the USA, so anyone can join and earn. Make sure to follow these steps so that you too could earn hundreds and up to thousands of dollars. Now, to join their affiliate program on the same page, make sure to click on the Sign Up Today button over here. Once you click on this, it will bring you to another page. This is the page where you can sign up and join the affiliate program. On this page, you will have to input your details, and you will need to input a username and a password of your choice. You will also have to input which country you're located in right now. Once you've signed up and logged in, I want you to go to Google. Now, why do we have to go to Google? Well, we will actually use Google to look for people who are running ads to promote our products to. Note that there are millions of people out there who run ads on the regular, so what we want to do is promote our products to them and get a commission. Okay, now that you know what to do, let's actually start and try. Okay, so now I want you guys to pick a country, then any location from any country in the world. Like maybe a location from a pretty famous country. For our example, let's pick the USA. Since of course the US is pretty big and has a lot of internet users. Then let's try and pick a random location. Let's say just for today, we pick New York City, here in New York State. Now we have our country and we have our location. I want you to think about a business in that particular location, like maybe a restaurant or a gym. But for example's sake, let's pick a hair salon business. Now that you have a location in the business, I want you to Google businesses in those areas. For today, since we picked New York City, New York, and hair salon, let's go ahead and Google hair salon in New York City. And that is going to show us all these different hair salon businesses in that specific area. Then I want you to look for ads, but if there are no ads running for that particular business, then that just means that we really can't promote our products because it simply won't work without those. So we want to find people who are running ads. Now, since I can't see any ads running for hair salons, let's try another business. Let's say New York City Gym. And look, there is one running over here. It's an ad for a gym membership for Equinox. Then what I want you to do next is actually to go on that website. Now, the reason why we're going to their website is so we can look for contact information for that person. Their contact information is typically found at the bottom of the page, so I want you to scroll to the bottom of the page and here on the About Us column, click on the Contact Us option over here. You'll see the contact information here, such as contact numbers and an email address. So for this site, it's concierge@equinox.com. Now, what I want you to do, given the email provided to them, is that you can actually send them an email containing your promotion for the ClickMeter software alongside your affiliate link. Now, once you've done this, you can actually pretty much just rinse and repeat this method. You just have to look for more businesses. They don't necessarily have to be physical businesses. They could just be another digital platform running advertising on Google, Facebook, and Twitter. Now, let's say that you've sent emails and you've earned a commission because a business bought ClickMeter through your affiliate link. How are you able to cash out your earnings? As of now, you're able to withdraw your commission through a PayPal account, so if you don't have a PayPal, most likely you're not able to withdraw your earnings. So make sure you create an account. It's free and fast. So guys, once you are accepted to the ClickMeter affiliate program, make sure to go to Google, start finding as many businesses and people that you can find who are running ads, be relentless and try to send emails to as many people as possible so that you are able to maximize your earnings. It's just a simple and great way to earn loads of cash. So if you want to get started, do it now and do it quickly.
And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.